In this video, we'll discuss how to install Octave in Windows. At first, open a web browser. Here, type Octave for Windows, or you can type only Octave also. Then you will see this GNU Octave. This is the website where you can download Octave for your Windows. Click on it. So here you can see the download option. Click here. Now there are various options. If you have Linux platform, you have to click here, but here we are installing Octave in Windows, so here click on this MS Windows. Now someone may have 32-bit Windows, someone may have 64-bit Windows. In my system I have 64-bit Windows, so I'll install this part. I'll click here. This window shows that it is ready to download. Just click save file. So now it is downloading. It will take some time to download. When it will finish the downloading, the file will be stored in your default download folder. Here you can see we have downloaded the file. So that is the installer which will install Octave in my system. Just click on it. So here my setup is running. It will install the Octave in my Windows. So just click next. Click again next. Install for all user, create desktop, and all these options. Just click on the next. So now your Octave will install in C drive Octave folder. Within the Octave folder, Octave 5.20. So this is the version we are installing. Click on install. So it will install the Octave in your machine. Based on your internet speed, it will take some time. It is installing. Now you can see Octave has installed in your system. So here click on this finish. So installation complete. When installation will complete, you will get this window. So this is your command prompt where you will execute the Octave commands. For example, here I am declaring a equals to 50. So now this is the workspace, the variable you have declared that will be stored here. This way we can install Octave in any Windows platform.